Hi, we're going to check out the brand new ZR-260RL. This is going to be a single slide model, 27 feet 11 inches, and roughly weighing in at 6,300 pounds. Walking in, you're going to pass two pushback recliners with an end table here in the middle. That'll give you a spot to rest phones, drinks, whatever it may be, but it's going to give you a great spot to sit and to make into this more of an open feel for you. You're going to have pleated shades throughout the whole coach. You're going to have a jackknife sofa, which will be standard. This will make down into a bed, but have storage space underneath. You got your booth here with storage space underneath. This will all convert down into a bed as well. In your kitchen here, you're going to have gold fixtures through the whole coach. So your hardware, your faucet, everything will be gold matching through the unit. Large big sink, nice space for countertops here. You got your 3-burner range with an oven. You have your 10 cubic foot refrigerator with adjustable shelves. This is going to be 12 volts, so the great thing here is it'll cool down within an hour. Plenty of storage space here in the pantry. So again, in a smaller unit, trying to maximize space for you. You will have a tankless on-demand water heater. This is where you'll set the temperature to get your hot water desired through the whole coach here. Your bathroom, you have a foot flush toilet, nice countertop space, medicine cabinet, storage space underneath. In the shower here, large shower, all about 5'10", 5'11", you have plenty of headroom above you here. So again, just trying to maximize a small bathroom with the most space, the largest shower we can put in here. Stepping out of here, you'll pass your fireplace, which will be standard. It heats up to 500 square feet, which is great to warm this unit up and not have to run your furnace. Walking into the master bedroom, you will have a second entry door coming in and out of this coach. You have a 60 by 80 queen bed here with storage space underneath. You'll have hanging closets on both sides that are mirrored. And behind that, you'll have shelves where you can put your phone, where you have your charging station, or if you have a book, something back there, it's just extra storage space as well. Also in here, you'll have your extra linen closet and hanging closet here. So again, a smaller unit overall length, but we're trying to maximize all the space in here.